This video tutorial complete my article about a complete AWS environment with Terraform. This is what we're gonna do. We create a VPC and all is object inside, Amazon Route 53, availability zone, subnet, security group, and to test if it's working, we're gonna create an EC2 instance with Apache that connect with the EC2 instance with MySQL. So all the steps are described in this video, so we'll do step by step. You already saw the architecture. Let's do the git clone. So find inside GitHub Giuseppe Borgese the project AWS complete environment, clone it, go here, do git clone. So see the inside that. So we do git clone, we did show the variable. So let's edit the variable. I choose to do in the Ohio region, and you need of course to change the credential file, AWS credential file, and the key name. I create a demo key for this demo TMP for this project. So also this step is completed. As you can see here, there are 0 running instance, so running nothing, and only one VPC, the default VPC. So let's back here, do Terraform init, because in this version of Terraform you need to download the provider that you're gonna use. And as you can see, is 86 megabyte. My DSL is pretty fast. So this is done. We run also a Terraform validate to see that we didn't introduce any mistake, and we can do also a Terraform plan. Okay. This will show us every resource that we're gonna create before. So there are 19 objects, and you can see in all the green line. So do also Terraform apply. This is gonna create the environment. So Terraform, we do Terraform plan, we did Terraform apply. So as you can see, the objects are creating, and we can already see that there is a new VPC. We can filter by VPC, and in this VPC there are 2 subnets. There is one public, another one. See, this is the public subnet with direct access to the internet gateway. This is the private one, no access, but soon there will be the root for the NAT gateway that is not yet created. For this reason you are not still seeing. So internet gateway was created, the DSP option set, a new elastic P, no endpoint, NAT gateways. So these are my previous tentative, and one is in pending. Okay, so the database record is creating, database instance is creating. We see that now there are 2 running instances. and yeah, the creation is in progress. So we can see VPC, we can do with it Terraform apply. Okay, 19 resources are created. So we saw the 2 virtual machines, NAT gateway is available. So right now at this moment, as you can see here, the database machine was created and this script was run. It's important this sleep because we need to wait until NAT gateway creation, and in the web machine, PHP machine, this will install the PHP and Apache and create a file called db.php with this content to call the database. And also this is done. So back here we can see that still the status is initializing, so until that is convenient wait before. So the public machine, the machine PHP that is in the public subnet has a public IP. The database one doesn't have a public IP, has only a private IP, but this machine needs to access to internet to install MySQL, and it does by the NAT gateway, that is this object here. Okay, so as you can see now there are two checks, so probably copy the IP, we open. Okay, the Apache is installed, and we hope that also the call db.php, and we see that is still not available, but probably because the database is still under creation. We leave this here for now. We can connect inside the machine 220.20.164. Yes, and we can see what happened when we try to resolve. Okay, so as you can see, my database Linux Academy internal was correctly resolved, and this is the IP of the database machine. So and voila, as you can see now the database is available. We did a call from this machine PHP to this machine database, and we retrieved this value from the database. This value was written here inside one table, inside my table Linux Academy the best, and was retrieved by the PHP page. So we tested this successfully. We saw also that from this machine we can resolve we create an internal root 53 and resolve the IP. So also this is done, and to complete the environment we can run Terraform, destroy, maybe to destroy the whole environment. And everything is gonna be destroyed in few seconds. Thank you for watching, and if you wanna leave some comments in the YouTube video, I will be happy to respond as soon as possible. We need to confirm the destroy, and everything will be destroyed. Thank you so much. Bye.